Yeah, from my point of view, I think you don't need to blame the protesters in Bindura, because I think those were just innocent members of the party trying to express themselves. Why they had to demonstrate? It shows there are no party mechanisms available for people to use. Remember, Kasukuwere is the most senior member of the party in that province, being the political commissar, and we just have two political members, himself and Comrade Rutanire. So given the situation in the province, where you also have Dixon Mafios being the chairperson of the province, who is related also to Kasukuwere, and you also have Tongai Kasukuwere on the other side, being the most senior member of the party from the Youth League side. So the whole province is being managed by the Kasukuweres. So people had no chance using the internal party structures to air out their grievances. So it was just a way of committed party cadres trying to express themselves, saying, no, we have problems here, we have problems there. So I think to blame the protesters, I don't think it would be very fair. It would be very fair from my point of view. I think they were just trying to express themselves. Also knowing, like in 2014, when there were issues on Maim Juru saying she had tender against the president, all sorts of issues coming out in the state media, people resorted to the same means, where we held a demo against Maim Juru and Comrade Goche. So taking it from what had happened in 2014, I think people in my central are justified, and also because the Women's League, as you know, being headed by Mai Mugabe, had held protests around the country where they were also demonstrating against senior members of the party. So I think the members in my central were justified to hold these demonstrations, though it's not the legal way of doing things according to the ZANU-PF constitution. But also given a scenario where the party constitution was the first casualty of the suspensions and expulsions. Because for me, the party constitution was the first to be expelled from the party, because there is no longer a party constitution which is being adhered to in ZANU-PF. So you have all this pandemonium, all this mumbo jumbo. So you cannot blame the card-carrying members for doing that, because it's happening in ZANU-PF these days.
One of the accusations